Good morning.
Time to get up. These glasses, jacket, and sweats, baby girl, that's a get up.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my town. Today is wash day. It's been a minute, so it's about to get popping. So I'm gonna use a shampoo bar this time. I never used one, so I'm just gonna jump right on into the details of that. So stay tuned. Alright, this shampoo bar I picked up when I went to the Kinky Curly Kinky Fest here in Austin last week. And this is made by Royelle Coils. This is the moisturizing shampoo bar. So excited to use it. And the ingredients have coconut oil, palm oil, safflower oil, aloe vera gel, oat protein, and aretha powder, aloe powder, and some more little powders in it. Made with a lot of different powders. I'm excited to try it to see how it goes. Now I'm about to open it up so I can smell it. Oh, I love the way it is made. It's made just like the shampoo brushes that you use with your hair and stuff. I love it. This is gonna make it, you know what? This just solved one of my worries that I had about it like slipping out of my hand and me not being able to get to my scalp with it. But this just solved all my worries. Okay, here it is. This is the back of it. This how it is compared to my hand. So I can just, what I love about this, I can just hold it like this and do like this. I'm so excited. That is such a good idea. I'm so glad she did this, and I'm gonna post all the information down below of her Instagram and where to purchase this so you can see it, get it for yourself. But I'm about to try it out and see how it goes. So I think I'm just gonna do this, making my job easy. See, that's all I ask sometimes, just make my job easy. Cool.
I met this girl, she was a masterpiece. Like Michelangelo designed her outlines. A rarity, I rarely see a gem among the graphite. Her soul is soft as snowflakes that descend and cover alpines. Not perfection, but the right kind, the kind to rest in my mind. I meditate on memories, I feel that she's the right type. I take my time to know her more, know her mind, know her thoughts, know where she will see herself ahead of time when future calls. We resonate on favorite films and how life is more than dollar bills. Though we still need our feel, along with global rendezvous, the va-va-voom, the love and thrills. Communication, we agree that's an essential skill. And both acknowledge that we've had our share of training wheels, dodgy deals, and times we felt like hiding deep like Navy SEALs. After make or break up that were tense and had us missing meals. But I can't miss the fact I see a future with her still, please.
Let me know how you feel. You know what we have is real. Took me some time to search through my mind, refine a view of you in my life. Let me know how you feel. I know what we have is real. Took time for both of us to align. I realize the peace that's inside when I'm with you in the rain. Baby, I'm your legacy, can't you see as we go? Part of me and I will grow. You make me feel secure. When you hold me, I lose control. We ride, we ride, we ride, we ride, we ride, we ride.
done. My hair feels amazing. What I love about that soap is it really is moisturizing. It says that it's moisturizing, and it did moisturize. My hair does have that moisture in it. It's not stripped. And y'all, my scalp feels amazing. What I like the most exciting thing about this soap is that it has the little bristles or whatever on it, where you can, why don't you just call them knobs? I'm gonna call them knobs. They have knobs where, you know, you can moisturize. Okay, yeah, like I was saying, it has the little knobs on it, and it can moisturize your scalp really well, and well, clean your scalp really well and give you a nice little massage. My hair has grown so much, like I used to baby just be like this in the camera, you see everything, but now I got to step back. That's the front, how it looks in the front anyway. I'm about to put my hair in the back and let you see how clean it is. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, the hair is wet. Okay. Ooh, that's it. Okay. So now I'm going to just go through, detangle my hair. We'll pull my locks apart. Make sure they're not fusing together too much. After that, I'm going to just moisturize and yeah. And moisturize each section. The top and all the way down the shafts of my locks. Get some at the bottom too. Ooh. Okay. Now I'm gonna move on to this back section and get as many of those as possible. Alright, done with that last section. Now I'm about to wrap my hair up so it can dry some, and I'll probably blow dry it a little bit before I leave for the party today. And or I might just go outside and let this do its thing. But air drying is not always good, especially when you get into your lock journey. Your locks mature and get thicker and stuff. So there you have it, folks. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and tap that notification bell so you can know every time me, the Curl Maverick Yoga, uploads a new video. And if you have any suggestions on videos that you want me to do, just drop them down below in the comment section and just let your girl know. Alright, I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. So I tied my hair with my t-shirt. It's a long sleeve shirt, so it made it so much easier. You know what? I might start making this into like a thing or something, because my hair just went up so easy with that shirt. It was a long sleeve shirt, like a long sleeve crop top I got from Target. And baby, I didn't have to wrestle with it or nothing. It just whoop, 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 and wah, wah, wah. That's it. That's it. That's it. And I love it. Why is I bending down like I can't adjust it? Like, girl, get it together. But yeah, throw it out my face and I'm just gonna walk out the house like this.